Downbeat macroeconomic data from the eurozone is still putting pressure on the euro and the pound sterling, thus supporting the US dollar. Today, the greenback is trading quietly amid the strong likelihood of a rate cut by the Federal Reserve and the slowdown in the US economic growth. Today, the ECB presented a cautious policy update. The lack of auctions from the ECB could subdue a rally in financial markets. The burning question now is whether the Federal Reserve will be ready for resolute measures. In the recent week, the US dollar has been extending strength because investors lowered their expectations for a deep rate cut of 50 basis points. The most popular currency pays trading today in a narrow range under the full control of bears. The only reason why the euro could regain footing is an extremely weak US GDP for the second quarter. Yesterday, the market's response to the ECB policy update again proved uncertain sentiment. Buyers of the euro-dollar pair pushed the price to the important level of 1.1180, but it did not stay there for long. The pair failed to exit the trading range as traders are in the waiting mood ahead of the Fed's policy meeting and a new batch of economic data. The Swiss franc showed the strongest response to the ECB policy decision. So the Swiss currency sank against the US dollar and the euro. Amid the franc's weakness, the dollar-franc pair settled up at 0.9922, having jumped 100 pips since yesterday. Meanwhile, gold is trading steadily. The precious metal ticked up after a breakout downward. So gold is going to continue with its correction. The pound sterling has been wound down by Brexit uncertainty. After a brief bounce, the pound is trading lower again. Newly elected Prime Minister of the UK stated that the previous divorce deal agreed by his predecessor is not valid anymore. Thus, the sterling slumped again to the lowest level in 2 years, recorded on Tuesday. Today, the pound-dollar pair is trading at 1.2444, roughly at the level of yesterday's close. The euro has been also vulnerable to Brexit news. Apparently, the UK's departure from the European Union will deal a blow to the British economy and other countries. You were watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Tikhina. We wish you profitable deals.